Alright, what's up YouTube? We are back. We're here with the O2 Chevy Blazer. Now, I'm getting tired of not having a vehicle. It's been a struggle just trying to share the Ford Explorer that my mom has. So, we're going to try and get this one running. It will run, but I don't have a key for it. So, what we're going to do is swap the ignition out so that way I actually do have a key. Now, I have been working on this already. Got everything torn apart. I tried a few things, so I'll show you what I tore apart. And I'll show you what I've done already, and we'll see if we can get it. It's been a struggle. Wish me luck. Okay, so what we've done so far is we took all the bolts out for the face of this. You got just a couple down around here. I'm pretty sure it was a 7. Then that comes down enough. Of course, you gotta take this one off down here too. That just hangs down there. And you loosen this up so that way it can hang down. Then I think it was a T25 Torx bit to take this bottom one off. And then to hold the top part of this cover on, it's a inverted Torx bit. I'm pretty sure it's a T30. But if you just have a small socket that just fits over it, a 6-point, it will take it off. You don't need the inverted Torx to take it off. Just makes it easier. Okay, so over here, we got the old ignition. Got the new one right here. We tried multiple things. I know sometimes I've heard people have had luck with different keys. I've tried many, including keys with the new ignition. It just doesn't turn it. So, haven't had luck with that. What we're going to try to do, I got a lockpick kit. And we're going to try, if you look right down, and right here there's a little hole. And, look at the new one. That's where this little piece is that locks it in place. What we're going to try to do is put the key for the new ignition in there and see if we can get that button right there to compress, that way we can turn it. That's what we're going to try. I saw it on YouTube. If that doesn't work, then we'll figure something else out. We might end up drilling it. So let me get this propped up so I can work on this. Okay. That key in there. Try and flip this right in there if we can get it in there. Alright, so that's not working. Let's see if we can pick the lock itself. We're going to try at least, see if we can pick the lock itself. Let's bounce here. A little stiff, but it doesn't want to. Honestly, guys, I've never done this before. I just watched a couple videos, so I'm just trying here. I won't guarantee I'll be able to get with this. Well, obviously that's not going to work. I'm no master at picking locks. I just watch random videos and stuff to try. But I can't get it that way. Of course, we could replace the whole thing and just slap the new ignition tumbler in it. But That's about $125 versus just like $50 for a new tumbler. So let's try drilling this out. Yeah, I think we're gonna get a drill and some drill bits, see if we can drill this ignition out. Okay guys, so finally found a drill and drill bits and extension cord. Took a while though and had to go dig one out. Yeah, it was completely buried, all of it. But we got it. But before we get into that, let's talk for a minute. Has anyone ever just gotten the urge to walk out in the woods and forget everything? Just live off the land, build a hut? I've been seriously contemplating it. If YouTube don't start paying me soon, you guys just might start seeing videos of me out in the woods building a hut. Might just happen. Who knows? But alright, let's get back to it. Okay. Got the drill, got the right size bit, at least what I think would be the right size bit. Let's go ahead. Sure. Plugged in. Now, I've never actually done this either, but I couldn't really find videos online of it. So we're just gonna try it. This drill bit's just skating. Oh, hell. Okay, guys. Well, I don't think that's gonna work either, because this drill bit's just skating all the way across there. It's the best drill bit I got. Well, let's go find another idea. Okay, we're back with another day, attempting this Blazer. We got an actual metal drill bit, we've got a Dremel, and we got my dad out here to help me try and steal my own vehicle. Let's hope it works out this time. Okay, new bit, attempt number, I forget what we're at this point.
297.6.
Whatever he said, we're just trying to get this.
She's grabbing.
Oh yeah, she's grabbing.
Go back, get drill moving.
Alright guys, a quick update for you. We went through, kept drilling in there, and we got this little chunk taken out of here. Now, we don't have the new ignition in. Probably gonna forget about that for now. But, if you take a screwdriver, and if you line it up in there, you can turn it, see? Yeah, we got it right there, to ignition on, and then that start. Now, the battery's dead, and we need a new battery for this thing. But, we got the ignition so it works by screwdriver. So we're going to go ahead and call this a win, because now we can turn it, and we're going to call this a video. So alright, if you guys enjoyed this video, if you had any entertainment out of it, if you thought I completely failed, or if this was helpful to you, go ahead and consider giving it a like. Always consider subscribing. We're doing a bunch of different videos. I'm actually about to go record a video putting insulation in the shed / tiny home kind of thing that I'm currently living in. So stay tuned. So you guys, you're probably going to see this video. Today's Monday. I think I'm going to edit this, upload this tonight, so you guys will be seeing this video on Tuesday. I'll record the other video tonight too. I think you might see that like Friday. Yeah, so stay tuned and you'll see that video. You get to see me go through and put insulation in the tiny home. And I do got more videos planned, and I got a bunch of other stuff planned for this channel. And I'm just working on trying to get this channel to grow, and hopefully you guys can help me out. So I'll see you guys in the next one.